In this video, we'll show you how to fix Minecraft shaders not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if your shaders aren't showing up, won't turn on, or keep breaking your game, don't worry, this is actually really common. So shaders in Minecraft Java usually run through Optifine or Iris, and most of the time, if you have problems applying your shaders, it's likely version issues or compatibility issues. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you out whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you support the channel, so thank you so much. Alright, the first thing you can do is to use a fully released version, not a preview or experimental build. A lot of the newest Optifine versions are not fully released yet, and those can be buggy, especially with shaders. So let's go to Optifine official website, optifine.net, and once you're here, you can go to the downloads tab. And here, if I want to download for the latest Minecraft version currently, which is Minecraft 1.21.11, all the version available is pre-built. Now you can try it yourself, but if you have problems applying your shaders, you can click show all versions and try to download the fully released version. For example, there's one for Minecraft 1.21.4. It will look like this, and then you can hit download, click the skip button at the top, and hit download again. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder and the download will start. Once you finish downloading, you can try to install Optifine. It's in a jar file, so to open it, you'll need Java installed on your PC. If you don't have it, you can go to java.com and download the latest one on your PC. So here, let's open it up with Java. Right click, open with, choose another app, and select Java from the list. It'll open up the installer, but before you click install, you'll need to launch this version of Minecraft at least once. You can hit install. Now it says Optifine is successfully installed. After that, you can restart Minecraft launcher, and on the bottom left, make sure you select Optifine profile, and it's also in the correct version that you just installed. Alright, if downgrading your version doesn't work, you can try to switch your shader loader. So if you're currently using Optifine now and shaders aren't working properly, you can try to install Iris and see if you can apply the shader. That goes the same if you're using Iris now. You can try to install Optifine. Some shaders work better on Iris, especially on a newer Minecraft version. Alright, the last thing to check is your shader packs is compatible. So to show you, let's go to cursefus.com. Let's go to the Minecraft section and then browse all. And let's click on shaders on the left tab. Now you can look through for the shaders you want to download. For example, I want to download complementary shaders unbound. I can click on it to go to the page, and then let's go to the files tab. And here, before you download it, make sure the release you're downloading is supported for your version. So for example, complementary shaders is available for the latest one, which is 1.21.11, and I want to play it for that version, then it's good to go. Let's click the three dots on the right, hit download file. Now you can just install this into your shader packs folder. Alright, I'm inside the game now. I launch it with Optifine. So now let's apply the shader. You can open up the pause menu and then go to options, video settings, and then go to the shaders tab. All of your shader packs will appear on the list. If you can't see one, make sure you install it correctly. You can click on the bottom left shaders folder, and it will open up the shader packs folder inside your Minecraft installation. Now let's go back and let's apply the shader. Alright, after I apply the shader, I get this error. It's telling me to switch to Iris, which you can download through irisshaders.dev. And actually, if you want to use Optifine, you can try to lower the settings. So let's go to options, video settings, shaders, and on the bottom right, click on shader options. Now here, I set the profile to ultra, which is the cause of this error. So let's set it to high, for example. Now there's no error anymore, and I can apply the shader without any problem. And that's it.